On the first day of Christmas, Jura sent to me pears perching in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, Ronnie sent to me 2 Harris hawks and hares perching in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, Gus sent to me 3 milky owls, 2 Harris hawks and hares perching in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, Missy sent to me 4 caracaras, 3 milky owls, 2 Harris hawks and hares perching in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, Goldie sent to me 5 sandcornias, 4 caracaras, 3 milky owls, 2 Harris hawks and hares perching in a pear tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, PJ sent to me 6 kookaburras, 5 sandcornias, 4 caracaras, 3 milky owls, 2 Harris hawks and hares perching in a pear tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, it sent to me 7 blue gold knuckles, 6 kookaburras, 5 sandcornias, 4 caracaras, 3 milky owls, 2 Harris hawks and hares perching in a pear tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, Quinn sent to me 8 tall Seremas, 7 blue gold knuckles, 6 kookaburras, 5 sandcornias, 4 caracaras, 3 milky owls, 2 Harris hawks and hares perching in a pear tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, Yogi sent to me 9 Rupert's vultures, 8 tall Seremas, 7 blue gold knuckles, 6 kookaburras, 5 sandcornias, 4 caracaras, 3 milky owls, 2 Harris hawks and hares perching in a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, Coco sent to me 10 pink galahs, 9 Rupert's vultures, 8 tall Seremas, 7 blue gold knuckles, 6 kookaburras, 5 sandcornias, 4 caracaras, 3 milky owls, 2 Harris hawks and hares perching in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, Candy sent to me 11 rainbow lorries, 10 pink galahs, 9 Rupert's vultures, 8 tall Seremas, 7 blue gold knuckles, 6 kookaburras, 5 sandcornias, 4 caracaras, 3 milky owls, 2 Harris hawks and hares perching in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, Hares sent to me 12 white-faced owls, 11 rainbow lorries, 10 pink galahs, 9 Rupert's vultures, 8 tall Seremas, 7 blue gold knuckles, 6 kookaburras, 5 sandcornias, 4 caracaras, 3 milky owls, 2 Harris hawks and hares perching in a pear tree.